What's up, guys? What's up? It's the girl Sandra back with another video, and I said it's the perfect time to do another video because I'm on my veranda and it's starting to rain. So I said I would do a story time on bad experience of hurricanes that I didn't like, even though them bad and they not bad in a way, but I will talk about them. So I will tell about my hurricane them when I go through with some experience that I never like, and in which me not really like hurricane, because anytime me hear about hurricane, my body always shiver. A one time me experience one hurricane when me never feel nowhere, so me enjoy it, and I what day when tropical storm Ida they pass. Yeah, may I tell about it, man. May I tell about my experience. Guys, the first one me go talk about Hurricane Ivan. You see Ivan, the hurricane when you Ivan. Ivan bet me walk so till me can't walk no more. You see Ivan, me experience Ivan when me them look a bit much younger than now. You know Ivan blow good while now, long about now Ivan blow. Remember, you know, Ivan bet me take out my little things them out of my house, you know. Come over one hilltop, go put in a one shop, right? It better me bet my things they stay in a my little piece of board house so me they have. Cause you see in the shop, it worse than the board house when Ivan done the whole of me something wet up. My dresser wet up, my mattress wet up, and then me left my piece of board house, you know, and gone and next people you had gone go stay, you know. That you them create excitement. Oh, hurricane, I got this, hurricane, I got that. And let me tell you, know, guys, I left my house and go stay at next people yard and take out my things and go put in a one shop down on the hill bottom. And my things end up wet up after hurricane. I have to dry them up and so. Anyways, when me left and got the person house go stay. That's how you see. You see in hurricane time, you better, you know, even though you not have one steady structure, you better you turn your yard, you know. Turn your yard, because it's when you stay your yard, you better you experience it this so more and go on next man yard to stay, because the treatment not nice. The treatment not nice at all. Because every minute me want pee. Every minute me want pee. And you know one of your yard there. So you can't run go night to play bathroom go pee every minute, so you understand? And let me tell you, Ivan let me catch a piece of bladder infection then. Me I tell you, because if people don't accept you to stay in their house until the breeze done. But you see their face, they give one pretty smile so. You see when you sit down in your cozy corner, see their face, huh? Me no want to experience them there again. And then instead of me the care for me them for eat and so snack and so. Me never have none to tell you the truth, you know. Because I hear what. You see through there say the breeze a come so for me house now. They dip on 4 posts. Because I board house, you know. Up on one hill. Couple of would live up on the hill. And they dip on 4 posts. So you know, say we are try to secure the house to make sure say alright. So we take sand, you know, the feed bag them, we take sand, throw in them and put up on the house top, and we take card and tie them down and so. But I tell you guys, me sorry the day when me left my yard when Ivan did blow. Got people here go stay and take out my things and put in a people shop. Cause they wet up. And me tell you, the breeze the linger, you know. And me tell you, when we think the breeze are come, cause Ivan slow, you know, man, he never dare come fast. And you see when he do come, at night he come. And then the time that the people show a bad face, cause they will want to come out of their house. Me not got nobody yard again go stay. Not got nobody yard go stay. At night Ivan come, and me the dining for man if you come, cause me said then they start show me bad face. Yes, start show me bad face, man. Nah do it again. If I know my people in out place, me nah do it again. Yes, words when I have a little something snap on me nah do it again. Me the glad the morning they come, even though in the night are the longest night you could ever find. Longest night you could ever find. When morning come, me take for myself. Yeah, in a nice to see a people house, man. In a nice to see a people house when time breeze blow. You better just stay away there and experience the hurricane. Which part you there? The other one, guys, a goose scarf. One goose scarf, you know, I'm going to like him bad, you know. I'm going to like him bad. Goose scarf. Yes, goose scarf. When goose scarf blow, me never live up push pa, me dey live again. I come down on the flat. On the flat me live now. So when the hurricane they come, you know, my daughter they small. They small. So the hurricane they make me lose my house. I don't know a board house we are living in. Me couldn't afford concrete houses. So you shy you move in a board house. Still board house. Me moving now. Moving out in another board house there. The hurricane on the goose scarf they come. Guys, goose scarf let me have to lift up after I done blow. Come back on my mother yard with my baby them. That baby them me and call him. The little girl them. I remember, you know, when goose scarf come, one neighbor they live side of me. What call her name? You know? But she died now. May her soul rest in peace. I say, cause which part me move can live? Me live near to the riverside. And let me tell you, that breeze come you see. And because I tell you, I ain't never see water so yet to Rasta jungle. Me never see water so. The river high so. Cause you see when the river come down from bank to bank. And I'm nothing nice, you know. And I'm nothing nice. And when they see that start, you know, they say, yes, this look real. Just when this breeze near goose scarf take up in wings, then me always prepare myself, you know. Because you know, so as me say, all part of me move when the hurricane time. And me always prepare. But even though my body a move in a one really bad way, yeah. Because when hurricane time, me peep enough, one do, me weak and everything, but me still a prepare. Like pack up my things and all of them something. And me pack up. This when time me pack up, hey. My neighbor side of me, you know, she said she now move out of her house. Well, me say me I move out of my house with my two baby because me live near riverside and you get all the news say if you're there low key, go higher heights, and if you're there here so move to safer ground. And so me say me the experience that me have with Ivan, me not have it again with goose scarf. Me a prepare for this one and me prepare. I pack up everything you see. Me not even secure house if you put sandbag or tie down nothing or this and that. Me go and know say me have my lamp, my kerosene oil, my matches, everything me try to get. Right, and food this time because me have pitney now. And me get all of them something there. And I saw goose scarf, the one goose scarf in one with himself. But anyways, goose scarf, I have to move, come live with my mother now. And start it all over again. Yeah, when me come at my mother house, me I work and thing and all those things, and I put myself back on track. While putting back myself on track, I say, me I go start make one good house now. You know, concrete house, no more board house. I'm tired of the hurricane them now. Tired of them now with them, the type of experiences. So me make me little house, man. Yeah, but all I you never concrete house, because you don't know, say, you know, easy to make concrete house. So, when me do, part your zinc, part your zinc. So proud of the little part where there's zinc. Yes. So, me say me a come, and me say you can always come, so, cause me alright now, but pity did I know say me not too alright, cause the zinc part, you see, Emily, Beck, me have to buy all over my zinc them. All over my zinc. Them a time I know me live, as me say, me move, come live with my mother, and I work and everything, so me decide to make one little concrete structure. I make me little concrete structure. And I move in a little unfinished concrete structure. My time I hear so no stay so. But you don't know, you see true. You know, me as a girl, me like my privacy and my own. So I just move in and just take my little time and finish when me can finish up. So the other part of left, me zinc it off. Yeah, me zinc the top and zinc round here and everything. So me say, me alright now, man, me can't go on with this time being. So me just prepare myself for Miss Emily. Yeah, me left work early and me come home, come fix for me to fix and deal with my maths. Cause what? Girl living in one little concrete structure now, so girl, alright. Because did I know say Emily, they got take my little zinc part of my concrete house. So, but anyways, when the rain start fall, me say, day in ya, and coming on nothing to move now, you know, cause as me say, me feel alright and me feel safe. So what me do? When the rain starts go on with itself and go on now, me get my coward. Me say, well now me dey wish for my mother there now. So you know say, if me feel like to come out there, cause I don't like to be alone in hurricane time, you know, cause me say it's scary and me experience something I don't like. So me say, when this start get bad, you know, me just take up my two picnic and move it go up on my mother, you know. Move it go up there and say, wow, no company here, man. Me too bored and all those things. So I go up there and me enjoy myself. Yeah, until the breeze start blow. Anytime then, yeah, guys. My mother house, you know, is a ply house, them time, you know, in a them time. But me I tell you, strong, yeah? Strong. Cause that whole strap down, you know, me say strap down with a hurricane strap everywhere. One nail and something in a ear. Couldn't move. My mother house stand up strong in a Emily. Emily passed and that no. That no jerk. But me I tell you, you see when tiny breeze kick up, me lift up and go up there. Cause you see for me zinc them, and the zinc part, they just start to lift up so. Just a fly off so. And me saying, me not a mini now. No wait till when me can tuck through the breeze with my two picnic. Cause me have on the bag, you know. Yeah, me have on the bag and me have two standard bag in my hand. And hold me whole hand, you know, man. And chew it, me go. When me reach up, then me wet. And my slippers pop off my foot. Me say slippers you can't stay one next slippers can't buy again. Yes, and then they two look up at them and scream, mommy. Me whole hand. The one when he Sabrina, she coward till she can't coward no more. And up till now she a big fitness she coward. If she want a rat run or want a roach run or something move, mommy. Me say pitney give me a hand because me not turn here because the zinc them they fly gone and the zinc them on the side and everything a tear off. So me take with myself and me go for my mother go stay until that breeze pass and me come down back. When me come down back the morning, every part on it. When me come down back in next morning and see how Emily do for me little zinc part there. Master, everything fly away. Then all the people them zinc will fly away and say, you know, for me them way for me yard, you know. Then time you have a hardware out this so. We are say skiing gate. Me say me go buy nail. So me take for me 2 little girl and say come we go buy nail and so fi nail on back the zinc them and fix up what we can fix up. Me take up for me zinc them and put in at the front of the yard, guys. You see when me come back, the owner for the zinc them take them gone. Take them gone. Me never have a zinc. I beg me to walk and beg and look to zinc to make up with the one that we left because people zinc blow and everything, you know. And you know everybody I walk a search with zinc. And you see true me come down early man because no, my mother did come down before me. And when she come down, she come up back and she said, boy, the place tear up down there. It was a zinc part where I'm saying yeah, me come down because me there look how my little girl in. Me come down. When I come down, I see say they get damaged bad and I take them up and sort them out. We fly away and so can I know my zinc because I want a special type of zinc I have. And I put them together. When I leave I go buy nail and when I come back. And you see when we go to the hardware fully full so till it can't full no more. Master. But eventually, me get to buy my little nail them and me come back and me fix up on me fix up. Yeah, and me I tell you, and guys, you see when hurricane, you know me hate too when like gone. Jesus Christ. The mosquito them here and kill you. And then you know thirst. And you know if you know used to been drinking room temperature water or just water so we don't pick up our fridge. Are the hardest thing to deal with. And then you know when you have anything in your fridge like meat or so you know say them they go wild. If you know hurry up eat them worse if you have enough. Oh my god man. You know easy when hurricane time man. And then you know your vegetable and your something them in the fridge are spoiled because you have them there before you prepared for hurricane. So you don't know. So you know what we have to do? As you meat them when in the fridge, then the chicken back cheap, you know, man. Cheap chicken back no nice again, man, and chicken back no cheap again. We fry them, brown them and fry them and cook them up. And heat what we can heat and what we can fry and put in a dish. And we take the time and we share. You understand? Because I love share, no, me ever share with my mother, my sister and brother, you know? So I saw you go with you and Emily, I saw she do my little zinc part for my little piece of concrete structure. But like she go on man. Me experience her man and can't talk about her just like how me I tell you guys about her right now. Emily she no easy man. She rip up my zinc and me sitting them man and go on with herself through ya. But see me me sit down and can tell the tales and laugh about it, you understand? And me can laugh with my daughter them and say, yeah, I saw Emily the go on man. Yes, I saw she go on man. Yes. Next one now I miss Sandy. Sandy no woman? Yes, Sandy a woman. Even Miss Sandy, she know. She wicked too, you know. She wicked too. Miss Sandy, she go on with herself in her own way. Miss Sandy, she man, go on with herself, me I tell you. Miss Sandy let me eat pear so till me can't eat pear no more. Miss Sandy blow Joe from pear, planting, everything. But Miss Sandy bet me do the enough shit. Excuse me language let me say shit. Do. Bet me do the enough do. When me never see it in my life. Miss Sandy she. Yeah, Miss Sandy. Miss Sandy bet me do the enough do. Yes, because here what? As me say, me no like stay by myself when hurricane time. And no me stay by myself when hurricane time because my house, thanks be to God, stay in a way where me alright and comfortable. I don't have to run. Miss Sandy, see where me have to left go for mommy house, man, or for my mother house. The time my mother still have the ply structure. Thanks be to God. Yeah, God make a change, you know. Everything alright now, so she don't need her for fret. Even though she never did fret when she have that type of structure there. But now, boy, may I tell you, God is good. Sunday, me left in a Sunday go for mommy again. Right? Go for mommy. Me never have no experience down at my yard this time because the zinc, the turnout to be zinc, me they fix up at the place in a Emily with zinc top and now me they ply around only, so it is alright. But me still never the want to say to myself, I go up on my mother. And when I go up on my mother now, me up there, keep her company and then weary. You understand? Me Sunday me up on mommy in me Sunday time. And let me tell you, we did there on Sunday a go on and she a go on and she a go on. Sunday they come a day, you know, yes. I'm glad to say they come in a day because me can't the experience of the hurricane in a night because it take too long for done, man. The longest night. So when he in a day, then he go on with himself and he go on with himself and he calm down. Me with my enough self with me and my sister Katie. Me and Katie say, alright, we are left picking them for mommy. And me and Katie and my cousin say we are left go hold on the main in the scheme. So we are going to circle and see where we go and never know say hurricane not done. Guys, you see when then the time me dey exercise, you know, me dey big, you know, actually me not stand up, they couldn't know, me dey big, me take off a lot of weight now. You see, in that time me exercise and me always say to my sister say, your coffee come go exercise with me and take off some of them weight there. And we left and said we are gonna look with one in the scheme. When we reach out to one man yard, me now call him man name. When me look cross the key one wild cane piece, me say one little darkness a come, me say, what this? Anytime everybody a walk and a looking up pity, we don't know say the hurricane a done me feel one warm, me see like one little cloud like a come. You see when me look, I see a piece of breeze start wheeling, see? Hey, I take foot in hand, me say, Katie, me no know about you, that's why I tell you, so if you come walk with me a man in time, you know, and take up some of them weight, a good thing say, me dey do my exercising, guys. I take foot in a hand, you see, and when I start run, hey, that the breeze couldn't catch me if you go back. And when I run, Katie the panila, Sandra wait for me. Sandra wait for me. Wait for me. Me say listen to me. This now catch me down and me left me up over yard with the picnic them. So me I go up because me alone up there. Me cover to, you know, when I hurricane time to, you know, know she a brave up. No, she a brave up. Because you know what, we are right now, man. We are right now, you know, we not have a fret about no. I just back up two windows, so you see me. And when Katie see me going up on the hill, and Katie, Sandra wait for me. Sandra, me say, Katie, come on, put foot in the hand and come on, run for your life. Me say, me, then Katie. Me say, guys, me have to turn back because Katie determined, saying tired and he can't go no more on the hill, you know. Guys, me say when mommy say a good food and so, me sit down and me easy myself, change my clothes and all those things. The breeze on the ceiling, so I go so. I go so. So, north, east, west, yes, same planet Rocky. And mommy say, boy, this no look safe, Sandra. This no look safe, no look like the house I go turn up in this one here. But me I tell you, turn up, but you see the top, it be bad. Bad, 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 it be bad. You know, tear off, you know, but you see all of the lot and all of the sitting there and so. The hungry bad and make leak in the water start coming and so we are saying, what we are going to do? We know one little basement there and at the bottom, that I don't carry part, you know, say everybody take foot and go down the car, the place start leak now. We said, down, I said, too small, can't hold the car, the family, enough of we, you know. Alright, we left. I don't carry, and Katie, I said, come back down, man, so everybody go back down and easy with self and so. Me and mommy always, one thing with me, you know, when hurricane time and me up there, me always help with mommy. So me left, and me and mommy and we go upstairs and we start pack up what we can pack up and so cause it look, it get serious. Me go in my mother room when we done pack up and so and sit down. Every minute, my belly start move, toilet. Me go in our room back and me sit down, toilet. Me going back in our room again, toilet. Me say, no sir, me can't take me hurricane, you know, me sick and tired of the hurricane, you know, cause it a bit me a lose too much and me can't manage it. The last time now we see guys, when me look, the breeze of Sunday I go on with the house top and I go on with the house top. Me say, mommy, me can't take this anymore. Me a do too much, man. Too much Sunday, but me a do too much. Plus PP. And me say, no, sir, me can't manage it, mommy. Me belly, man, me belly, I lose too much. Guys, you see when time me go back, but sit down on the hazard. And when me look, I want corner there, and which part, you see the light, you know, when the light outside, the light wire, they want something, the iron something. I not even know where that name. Yeah, long story short, I never know where that name. The breeze of that, you see, and through the breeze can't get to tear off the house one way to get to blow with it up. The breeze drag that to the place, you see. You see, when I see this so happen, guys, tell you the God truth. Me say, me not lie, guys. When me go in the bathroom, a little bit come down to the panty. Me not shame for talk. Guys, me say the doodle come down instant from me see that me say at them the time that you mean at my belly at them the time that the doodle loose. Master, when me see that me say, mommy, no sir, this not safe at all, master, mommy, this not safe. Me say, mommy, go for Katie downstairs, go for the picnic them, all of them, and we pack up and we take the EH paper. And you know this time me not left for food. Yeah, cause through me they have a bag of experience already. I left the food, so I go next door, go again switch by my cousin house there. Guys, when me go next door, me say, mommy, can we take with something them important and the food, you know, and go next door, and the next door, my cousin house, cause this deck house, you know, deck house. So mommy say, alright, come, master. Yeah, me know I must see the last shit, this nigga shit. Even though I go over there, me there for poo. Yeah. And because I tell me over there so and the belly start to calm down because you know the top they can blow off. This is cheap with this stay in my house. Master, I sweat. In the hot and water coming in. Jesus, glory. Me couldn't stand it. Me have to say, mommy, no sir, this is a situation is worse than over you. Come we take a little time and carry the picnic then one by one. Under the plastic and the chopper and go back in a your house. Anything if it happen, will happen. And mommy say, alright Sandra, me I hear what you say, because me can't stand this experience here. So, and at that we do, we take up with self and go over there. So, you see what there? Yeah, that the experience that me have with the one Sunday sheep. Yeah, that the experience that you bet me do. Me can't ever call it do good. But let me tell you, I didn't know face do me do. When me see the place tear off, oh, when me reach in the toilet in my bathroom, you know, to use toilet, me could come down, but me true me never care. Me never care because here what? Me couldn't do better. Cause as me say, when hurricane man, when you're in a one good stroke top, me I tell you, it give you all different type of itching in your kin, belly ache. You just a pee so. All different type of experience me I tell you have. So that was my experience. The best experience me have is the other day when tropical storm hide at their past. Cause as me say, no, me alright now in a good structure where me not for leave. I am not afraid, thanks be to God, and I am okay. I don't have to run. Me and my daughter then can right, sit down, laugh, talk, we play a game and everything. But you when I pass, man, out that door me there, and here the one Samantha that me daughter. Here are. Mommy, where you go? Me say, me never have a good experience back then, you know. So now, me alright now, me can experience. And me tell you, me go out that door, and me just stand up in the rain and I watch the breeze blow. And so even though it is dangerous, you know, guys, don't try it. It is dangerous. Whereas if you live around places or houses where have zinc and all those things, it go blow and fly and them something, and you will get hurt, you understand? So don't try it. But I tried the other day because I wanted to experience it, because I didn't have a good experience back then in past, in hurricane that passed. Okay, so don't try it. So don't say myself you go out in a hurricane, go try it, you know, don't do it, not do it. Yes guys, so but I watch his sound where you hear in our background. We don't call them a peony or something. When the hurricane, the good experience I have with the hideaway there, hear my husband, when he call me, hear him. Where you go out in a rain for? Where you go out in a breeze for? Eh? You know that dangerous and stuff? They said, listen to me. Me never have a good experience back then, you know. So you see now, me alright now. You make the family alright. So here what? Me experience this one. Leave me alone, but me experience it. I wanted to go out in there, experience the breeze, the rain and all that. So please leave me here. Alright. But him himself, you know, in hurricane time, you know, he go out in there, you know, so make he never want me to go out in there. No, I go out in there, go experience it, because back then, oh, me not have a good experience. So that's why I go out in there, guys. But anyways, he never bash me too much, you know. Never bash me too much, but you know, he just want me to be safe, not to go out in there, because it is not good. So yes guys, that's my experience with Hurricane Ivan, Gustav, Emily and Sandy. Right? So I thank God me go through them and me survive, you understand? And I hate when hurricane pass and people have to be lingering all about when their houses get destroyed and all that. You know, it's not a nice feeling, you know. But, you know, we pull through and, you know, we survive it. So me thank God. So me survive those hurricanes and I'm alive, can talk about them. You understand me? So, thanks for watching this video, you understand? I hope I make you laugh at some point. I hope I make you laugh at some point. And please remember to like, subscribe to D&S Eccleston Family Channel, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and comment down below. Let me hear what you have to say. Okay guys, and click the post notification bell so whenever we post a video, you will get the notification. Okay guys, thank you and love you. Be blessed.